Push male connectors of hose into ports on the back. They will lock into place. The gray hose connects to the top left port. Plug the power cord into the back. Connect other ends of the hose to the pad. The machine is pre-programmed. Do not adjust sessions that are 30 minutes. Use wraps to secure the knee pad on the affected knee. Center the hip wrap on affected hip. Wrap the long upper strap around your torso. Wrap short strap around the thigh and secure. Center the back pad and wrap around your torso. Place the shoulder pad on the affected shoulder. Wrap the long upper strap around your chest and secure under the opposite arm. Wrap the short bottom strap around the arm. Center the cervical wrap and secure around your neck.